Hello friends, let's solve now question number 9. The angle of elevation of a jet plane from a point A on the ground is 60 degrees. After a flight of 15 seconds, the angle of elevation changes to 30 degrees. If the jet plane is flying at a constant height of 1500 root 3 meters, find the speed of the jet plane. Okay, first thing they told that here a jet plane is flying which is at a constant height of 1500 root 3 meters from the ground. So this is a ground level. This is the height at which the plane is flying. Jet plane is flying. Okay. Now the angle of elevation of a jet plane from a point A on the ground is 60 degrees. After that the angle of elevation changes to 30 degrees. It means that if the angle of elevation is decreased, it means the point will be away from the jet plane. So first thing, it is, if the angle is more, then it is towards, so it is 60 degrees. Next it is reduced to 30 degrees. It means this is further increased. The distance is further increased. So that's why here the angle of elevation will be 30 degrees. Here the distance is increased from this point to this point. That's why the angle of elevation will be decreased. So they told that flight is after a flight of 15 seconds. So after 15 seconds, the angle of elevation changes to 30 degrees. Initially, let us think that the initial distance from this point to here, the initial distance is x. Later, it travels some more distance, let it be x, such that it reaches this point. From this point, the angle of elevation will become 30 degrees. Okay. First, let me write the height at which the jet plane is flying from the ground, which is nothing but at a height of AB. They have given that the plane is flying. So height is given as 15 root 3. So at a point C on the ground, the angle of elevation of the top of the jet plane is 60 degrees. After 15 seconds, the distance is further increased, and from the point D, the angle of elevation will be 30 degrees to the jet plane. Now we need to find out the speed of the jet plane. Okay. So for speed, they have given time as 15 seconds. 15 seconds time they have given. After that, for finding the speed, what is the formula? Speed is nothing but distance by time. Okay, speed is nothing but a distance travelled by time taken. Distance travelled by time taken. Correct? So, we have to find out what is the distance travelled from C to D. This x value we have to find out. Nothing but x value by time. Okay. So this gives you the value of the speed. Okay. So it becomes how much it is. The units is nothing but they have given meters, no? Distance they have given it in terms of meters, and time is given in terms of seconds. So it is x by 15 meters per second. You have to find out this value of x. This value you have to find out. Same thing, you have to apply the concept of trigonometric ratios. And this height, it is vertical with respect to the ground, no? So one is vertical and the ground level is horizontal. So the angle formed here will be 90 degrees. Two right angle triangles are formed. So two right angle triangles are formed. One is triangle ABC, other one is triangle ABD. So again same thing. And see, height is a opposite side for the both triangles, which is same, and adjacent side is involved. So the applicable trigonometric ratio will be tan only. So using the tan trigonometric ratio, you have to find out the value of x. After finding the value of x, you have to substitute in this, so that you will be getting the answer for speed. Clear? So till now whatever we have discussed, let us put it in the form of working steps. See here, I have just written whatever was given. Given height at which the jet plane is flying constantly, AB equals to 1500 root 3 meters. Let distance from B to C. Okay, we don't know that, that's why I have assumed it as ZD. Let C be any point on the ground such that they have given angle of elevation to the top of jet plane. It is 60 degrees, that is angle ACB equals to 60 degrees. And let D be a point on the ground such that angle of elevation to the top of the jet plane is 30 degrees. That is angle ADB equals to 30 degrees. So let the distance from C to D, it is x. That's, I have taken it as x meters. So first thing what we need to find is x only we have to find out. Two right angle triangles are involved in which we have to use the trigonometric ratios of tan. So what are those two triangles? One is from triangle ABC, other one is triangle ABD. So in both triangles, what is the angle taken as reference? In the first triangle it is tan C, in the second triangle it is tan D. Okay, the tan C, opposite side of angle C by adjacent side of angle C. Here opposite side of angle D by adjacent side of angle D. Okay, what is C? C value is 60 degrees, D value is 30 degrees. So tan 60 equals to, what is the sides? AB by BC equals to AB by BC. What is AB? See here, AB is nothing but height at which the jet plane is flying. They have given it as 15 root 3 by, what is BC? BC is distance between B and C. That is D we have taken. Tan 60 is root 3. So root 3 will be cancelled off. Therefore D value you got to know as 1500. This is nothing but distance between the point B and C. We got it as 1500 meters. So now let's see this second triangle in which at D the angle is what? It is 30 degrees. So tan 30 degrees equals to AB by BD equals to AB by BD. Correct? AB is nothing but height at which the plane is flying. BD we can write it as BC plus CD from the figure. Tan 30 value is 1 by root 3. What is BC value from the figure? See here, BC value is nothing but D, CD is x. So you can write it as D plus x. D plus x equals to 1 by root 3. Let me do the cross multiplication. You will be getting x plus D equals to 1500 root 3 into root 3. Okay. When you put this as equation 1, which we got it from the first triangle, can I substitute here D value as 1500 in this? Yes. So x plus 1500 equals to 1500 root 3 into 3, root 3 into root 3, it becomes 3. Okay. Write in brackets since equation 1. So from equation 1 I am substituting in the place of D 1500. So x equals to 1500 into 3, it becomes 4500. 15 3 is a 45, 2 0 same. Minus, when I send this 1500 right side, it becomes plus 1500, it goes to right side, becomes minus 1500. So 4500 minus 1500 becomes 3000. So you got this x value as 3000. What is this x? It's nothing but distance from distance from C to D. It's x we have assumed, no? So that distance between the point C to D, you got it as 3000 meters. So how to get the speed? Speed, I told you that distance traveled by time taken. So that is nothing but x by 15 meters per second. Okay. So let's continue it. So here distance we have to consider only x, because after 15 seconds they told that it is angle is reduced to 30 degrees. Initially it was 60. After that it got reduced to 30. It means only this distance we have to take. Okay, CD distance we have to take after 15 seconds they told, no? So time will be obviously 15 seconds only. That is equals to CD by 15. So CD value we have assumed it as x by 15. That is equals to x value you got now it as 3000 meters by 15. 15 ones are 15 2s are 0 0. It becomes what? Speed is nothing but 200 meters per second. So this is the solution for speed. Clear? So this is the solution. It's very important. Let me give you a brief explanation of this. First thing they told that at a constant height jet plane is flying. So this height they have given it as 1500 root 3. So initially they told that from a point on the ground the angle of elevation was 60 degrees only. So after some time, it means after 15 seconds they told that the distance is different. It means that if the angle of elevation is decreased, it means that the distance is increased. So this point is further moved beyond to the plane. It moves away from the plane. Okay, at the point D, the angle of elevation to the top of the plane is 30 degrees, they told. It means the distance is further increased. Distance is further increased from the plane. So now they asked us to find only the speed. Speed is nothing but distance traveled by time taken. So we have to find out this additional distance only, this x value by time. In a flight of 15 seconds means the time they have given it as 15 seconds. So this x value by time, that gives you the speed. Okay, that gives you the speed of jet plane. Okay, so here the angle of elevation is there at point C and angle of elevation at point D. Here the angle will be 90 degrees at B point. So when you see here, two right angle triangles are formed since the sides involved are opposite side and adjacent sides are involved. So you just have to follow the same process and to find out the value of x. So this is our simplification process. We did the same problem formats before also. So from this I got to find out the value of x. After finding the value of x, how to find out the speed? It's nothing but the distance traveled by time taken. Distance traveled is only the additional distance because they have given the time, no? Wherever the specific time they have given, only for that distance only you have to use the speed formula. So CD is the additional distance. So nothing but x we have taken. So x by 15, x value you got it as 3000. Therefore 3000 by 15, after simplification will be getting the answer as 200. Since the units have to be in terms of meters per second, because distance they have told it in terms of meters, time they have given it in terms of seconds. So the units will be meters per second. Clear? So the answer is 200 meters per second. So with this, chapter number 12 is done. That is applications of trigonometry is completed. So I hope the explanation is clear. In case you like my video, do like, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to never miss an update. Thank you.